Hello everyone. I would like to welcome each of you to the proposed state level seminar on FOSS for brand, free and open source software for business, research, academics and nation development. This is scheduled on 2nd February 2020 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in Loyola College campus, Chennai. This workshop pretty much focuses on enabling the participants to understand the different CMS frameworks that are used extensively for businesses, the open source visualization tools and programming languages such as R and Python in research, and how academicians make use of FOSS to create flipped classrooms, and finally how the different officers and IT department in charges in state and central government organizations can learn and help in cutting down the IT expenditure, thereby leading to nation development. So I am very keen to receive you all on 2nd Feb 2020. Please do join and get benefited from this seminar. Thank you one and all.